That was good. Okay, what do we have? So I already took out the packaging for to keep it cold. And today we have pita bread, pita pocket bread, whole grain, and it's 6 soft pita pockets, which would be really great. You can make cut it in half, toast it up a little bit. Well, toast it first, put it, or in the microwave, but toasting would probably be better. Cut it in half and then fill it with whatever you want. You could fill it with chickpeas, beans, tofu, sprouts, lettuce, taco, who knows? Anything. So, there we go. Okay, next, we have a box. What's in the box? Oh, the lone peach. A whole box for a peach. Peaches are tender. We need to take care of our peaches. All right. I like peaches. It only takes like 5 years for a peach to actually fruit or to grow, to eat. It's crazy. 5 years. So be thankful for your peaches. Okay, next we have, don't know. I think these are tomatoes. I don't know. They look like tomatoes. It's organic. They're very light in color, but they're very plump. I bet they're good though. Okay, next we have another box. Lots of boxes. And we have, lo and behold, another peach. 2 peaches. And portobello mushrooms. Excellent to marinate and to have on sandwiches or hamburger buns. Very good stuff. Portobellos. Not sure what happened to this. 1 leaf of lettuce. I'm not sure. Maybe it wasn't supposed to be in there. Let's see. What have we got? We have yellow squash. And oh, it's stuck. I don't know. Oh, here we go. It was wedged in there. This thing is huge. Zucchini. Some more zucchini. Celery. Okay. Now, from Misfits, this place is all organic. So this is organic celery, which is probably the best celery that you could possibly buy. When you grow celery, you have to use a lot of pesticides. And so if you even just get like the conventional commercial celery, those pesticides are not just on the outside, they're systemic. They come from the ground, from the roots into the vegetable themselves. Celery is one of the highest concentrated of vegetables with pesticides. And strawberries kind of fall in that category too of high pesticides. So when you buy celery, make sure that you buy organic. You'll notice a difference in taste. Next we have my favorite, broccoli. Love broccoli. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Look at this. I love It smells like a refrigerator. Okay, so we have rainbow colored carrots. Actually, I think these are more their natural colors. I'm not sure. Um, when we buy the typical bag of carrots that are all orange color, that's actually from, decades and decades of modification of growing specific kinds of carrots. Originally, carrots were multicolored, so they probably weren't this big though, so who knows. Thank you, technology. And so we have organic carrots with our organic carrot tops. and I wonder what that tastes like. Tastes like very fibrous parsley. Be good as a garnish, I guess. But my bunnies out back would love them. They like to come visit and eat all my bird seeds. Yes, the bunnies eat the bird seeds. Oh no. And next, avocado. Not quite ready yet. See, you can tell a couple ways. See, if you look closely here at that, see if that'll come into focus. That is kind of yellow, which means that it's not quite ripe yet. And so it'll take a little, like a day or two, maybe 3 at this stage. It's kind of hard. I don't know if you can hear that. Now, this one, on the other hand, take off the little thingy here. Let's take a look. It's really hard. Okay, yeah, obviously that's not ripe either. So look at that, the difference in colors, but yet their ripening timeline is going to be a little different, but kind of close. It probably a few days for both of those. Just you can either put them in a paper bag or just keep them out with some bananas. That would be good too. I have quite a few bananas. Okay, so I have some baby apples. They're so cute. You can eat that like in one bite, or 2-bite apples. Got 4 of those. And we have potatoes. Some red potatoes. Make a nice hash with this. Crumble up some of the TVP, seasoned TVP with some cumin, some crushed red pepper, some soy sauce. Cut these up and saute them with some bell pepper and celery. Bam, you got your hash. Okay, what else we got? Okay, got these finger-looking things. I'm guessing this is some sort of sweet potatoes. So, yep, these are really cute and really small. And I don't know. You could actually make a hash with these as well. It's kind of nice to have a different change of potato flavor. Adds a little bit of sweetness. Yeah, so that would work too. Let's see, I think that concludes everything. Yep, and that's all we got. So that's it for Misfits. It's kind of backwards, but Misfits is a great company and it's a subscription. So if you want to eat healthy and eat cheaply, organic, I would highly consider Misfits. this is a delivery to your house, so it's very easy to get, especially in times like these when it's kind of precarious to be out and about. So that's all I have for today. Thank you, sis, for bringing or sending this to my house, and I greatly appreciate it, and will certainly enjoy all these vegetables and fruits. Until next time, have a good day. Take care of yourself and take care of each other.